Good morning, good afternoon. Today I'm going to make some saltfish rundown. Here I have the pumpkin. I peel and wash some American sweet potato, peel and wash the flour I need, and some cassava I buy in the pack at Walmart. This is it, the cassava. So the water boiling, so you're going to put the cassava in. So here I need my flour. Here's my dumpling. Put in the pot, set them in the pot. So here I put some coconut oil in the pot. Here is all my bell peppers, all the color onion, some garlic. And here's my saltfish, thyme, pepper, my coconut milk, and my spices. I'm gonna make some saltfish rundown. So here all the pepper saute, and I'm gonna put the coconut milk inside, make it simmer down for a little bit. So the food done. Look at that, fish run down. Look at that. Yeah. Here is my saltfish rundown with cassava, sweet pepper, dumpling, pumpkin, and sweet potato. Look at that. Look at that rundown. Who wants some